Good morning, children. How are you? Stay safe at home. I am your social teacher. My name is Sharika. Did you take in your books or not? See, this is your new social textbook. This is your new social textbook. See, so total 12 chapters are there. Your first chapter, first lesson is our Earth in the solar system. What is our first lesson? Our Earth in the solar system. In the solar system. Our Earth in the solar system. This is our first lesson. See that here given solar system picture. Maybe you saw it in the 5th class and 4th class also. Total 8 planets are there. They are moving around the sun and in a particular path. This is called the solar system. Second one is the celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. It is also called heavenly bodies. It is also called heavenly bodies. These objects are in the universe. These are in the universe. Means in the not only solar system and planets, not only stars, moon, asteroids and comets. These all are the in the universe. This is called a galaxy. This is called a galaxy. And the solar system is a part. Solar system is a part in the galaxy. Okay. And anytime you went into the terrace, if we see in the sky, what do you see? We see some stars. We see some stars and moon. We see stars and moon at night in the sky. The moon will not be constant. It goes bigger sometimes and it goes lesser sometimes. But stars are so many in the night, in the sky. Can we count it? No. Why? Because so many stars are there. How they look to us? It looks like stars. It is twinkle to us. Very small ones. Very small. Very small. Why? Because they are very far from us. They are very far from us. They also have very big one. This is not the small. They are very big stars. But they are very far. So we cannot see. It is a big one. Like that. So stars are always twinkling. And moon is a satellite. And moon is a satellite. Moon is a satellite. And I think everybody know here sun. Sun is a star. Sun is a star. Like this. Sun also one star. But we look like it is a moon. And so much lighting will be gives to us. The sun gives light. Sun gives light and heat. Sun gives light and heat. Why? It is a huge ball of gases. It is a huge ball of gases. So many gases are there in the sun. So it always luminous. Means ఎప్పుడు కాంతివంతంగా ఉంటుందన్నమాట. It is luminous and it gives us the light and heat to the planet which are not have any luminant. Without the sun, can we live? No. Why? Because without sun we cannot get any light. Without light, it will be dark. In every place it will be dark like night. Then we cannot live. Without heat also we cannot live. All the plants, everything is growing with the help of heat. We can also living with the help of heat. Without heat it will be very very cold. We cannot live without the sun. And the planets. A star. But it is why it is looking very big to us. very near to us. It is very near to us. So the sun also star, but it looks very big and its light and heat coming to the planets, our Earth. Why? Because it is very near. In the universe, not only stars and moon, so many planets also there. Planets, asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. Meteoroids also there in the galaxy. Also there in the galaxy, but they does not have any light and heat. They are not the self-luminance. They all take the light and heat from the sun only. Okay, see in your textbook. Giving one picture. Sky during night time. Sun during night time. See how it is the sky during one moon and some stars are given here. These are the picture of at night. If we do can you do one activity? Take one torch here given, see that? One activity given here for you. Require material, very simple material this is. Take one torch, it will be in your house. Torch, a sheet of plain paper. Plain paper means one white paper you take. And a pencil, one pencil you take. And a needle also you take. What to do with that? You take a torch light and put this is a torch light. You put the paper on it. And one with the rubber band you can fill it like this and put a rubber band. And you give the portable to the small holes you put with the needle with this. And you switch off all the lights in your house. And you blow up when you see the light. This picture will be shown in your wall. With this you can see the stars in your house only. Okay. Constellation. What is the meaning of constellation? Is nothing group of, constellation means group of stars. Constellation means group of stars. Sometimes if we see in the sky, some group of stars will be staying in one place. That is called a constellation. And it also have the 7 stars are there in the, see this in your textbook given like this. This one, this is the Saptarshi constellation. This is the Saptarshi constellation. See these 7 stars are there. It looks one group of stars. This is called a constellation. And also have the bigger type of constellation also have in the sky. If you see in the sky, it will be visible to you. They will not divide any time. It will be in the sky only you see at night. Okay. This is about the constellation means what? The group of stars. And 7 stars in one place, that is called Saptarshi. And a big rare type of stars also there in the sky. Which are not luminant, they are called planets, asteroids, comets, meteoroids. They are nothing have any light and heat. Only stars only have light and heat. The solar system. The solar system. Already we saw about the solar system again. Here also given one picture to you in the solar system. See the sun is here. Its light is given to the all planets. Total how many planets are there? Total 8 planets. Total 8 planets are there. See here given. Read everybody. Solar system are 8 planets. meteoroids and asteroids are called solar system. In the solar system, not only planets, there are satellites, meteoroids, asteroids, all have this is called solar system. Solar system is a part in the galaxy which is in the heavenly body. Okay, next one, the sun. The sun. Sun is a star. We told about that. Sun is a star. It gives us light. It gives us light and heat. Sun is a star. It gives us light and heat. It is a huge ball of gases. It is a huge ball of gases. It is a huge ball of gases. See that which gases are there in your textbook given here? It is a huge ball of gases. It has 6,000. It has 6,000 degrees centigrade at the sun. Means very hot. It has 6,000 centigrades of heat is in the sun, and it is 150 million kilometers far away from the earth. It is 150 million kilometers far from the earth. It is not the near. It is 150 million kilometers far from the earth, and the center of the sun is 6,000 degrees centigrade, and 13 lakhs earth. And 13 lakh earths can be fit in one sun. How much big it is? 13 lakh earths can be fit into one sun. Means it is very big one. It is a star. About this, the solar system, it has 8 planets, satellites, meteoroids, asteroids, like that. These all together is called solar system. And the sun is a star. It has light and heat. It is a huge ball of gases, and its center temperature is 6,000 degrees centigrade, and it is 150 million kilometers far from Earth. 150 kilometers far from the Earth, and 13 lakh earths can be fit in one sun. Means it is very huge one. It is very big one. Next one, planets. Given here, see that picture given here. Total, how many planets? 8 planets are there. 8 planets are there in the solar system. See, what are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Saturn. Sixth one, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, total how many planets are there? 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 8 planets inner planets. These four planets are called inner planets, which are filled with rocks and sand. Which are filled with rocks and sand. Okay, these Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are the inner planets which are near to the sun. Which are near to the sun. These four planets are inner planets. They are filled with rocks and sand. And remaining four planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the outer planets. These are outer planets. These are with gases. These are filled with gases. Okay, these are filled with gases. Liquids and gases. They are filled with liquids. They are filled with liquid and gases. And Mercury. Mercury is the small. Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. And Jupiter. And Jupiter is the biggest planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. See that? Planets. 8 planets are there. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are the inner planets which are near to the sun. They are filled with rocks. And Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are the outer planets which are filled with gases and liquid. And Mercury is the smallest planet in 8 planets. And Jupiter is the biggest planet in the 8 planets. And Venus and Earth. Venus and Earth are twin planets. They are in twin planets. Which are Venus, Earth. These two are the twin planets. Why? Because they are same in size. They are same in size and shape. They are same in size and shape. Both are equal because they are called twin planets. Okay. The Earth. Next one is the Earth. Earth is also called blue planet. Also called blue planet. It is the third place in solar system. It is the third place in a solar system. Earth is also called blue planet and it is the third place in solar system. And it is the fifth biggest. And it is the fifth biggest planet. It is the fifth biggest planet. And it is called blue planet. Why? Because it is 2/3. 2/3 part. 2/3 part is filled with water. Is 2/3 means 2/3 part is filled with water. So it is called blue planet. And it is the third place in solar system and the fifth biggest planet in the size. In size, it is the fifth biggest place it takes. Okay. There are 4 valence major components. There are 4 major components. There are 4 major components are there on the Earth. What are they? Lithosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Okay, the Earth is a blue planet and the third place in the solar system and fifth biggest size in all planets. And major components are the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. These are the four. See here, given one picture and given this paragraph also here, and it makes the possible to the Earth. These three, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere, are possible to the life of the Earth. First one is lithosphere. First one is lithosphere. Lithosphere is in your textbook. The lithosphere is the land on which we live. Lithosphere is the land which we live. Land we live. This is called lithosphere. Okay, the solid outer layer means where we see this in the Earth. This is in the Earth. This proper plate is called lithosphere. This is lithosphere. Second one is hydrosphere. Second one is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means it consists of water bodies. Lithosphere means land where we live, and hydrosphere means water bodies, which are seas, ocean, lake, and rivers, pond, what it may be. All water bodies are called hydrosphere. Third one is atmosphere. Is